to automatically scan apps daily to check for viruses and spyware in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care. Next, tap device protection. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select device protection settings. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until it turns blue to turn it on. And then tap the gray on off switch next to auto scan apps daily to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will automatically scan all of your apps in a daily basis to get additional defense against viruses and spyware. As a note, daily scan only run when your phone is charging and the screen is turned off. However, some low-risk apps may not be scanned every day. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.